Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. XINLIN XL017 4K Camera Drone. Discover a new way to see the world with the XINLIN XL017 drone, created for those who want every moment to feel alive and unforgettable. Imagine rising above everyday scenes, where familiar landscapes become breathtaking and full of emotion. Each flight inspires a sense of freedom that transforms ordinary experiences into memories that you will treasure forever. Smooth motion brings a natural, cinematic quality to every recording, making each captured moment look clear and vibrant. Smart GPS support allows you to feel confident while flying, giving you the freedom to focus entirely on creativity and exploration. The intelligent follow mode makes it easy to keep subjects in view, turning ordinary activities into dynamic, visually engaging stories. The foldable design is convenient for travel and easy to carry, while its lightweight structure feels comfortable in your hands. Whether you are new to drone flying or a passionate creator, every journey feels exciting and immersive, opening new ways to see familiar places from unique angles. Share content that naturally draws attention and captivates viewers. This advanced drone turns simple experiences into meaningful visual stories, making each captured scene feel personal, emotional, and unforgettable, while allowing you to relive and share those moments again and again. Number 2. Potensic 3-Axis Gimbal 4K GPS Drone. Experience a fresh perspective with the Potensic 3-Axis Gimbal 4K GPS drone, designed for anyone who wants every captured moment to feel special and full of life. Imagine lifting above ordinary surroundings, where familiar views transform into stunning visuals that capture emotion and tell a story. Each flight brings excitement and freedom, turning simple moments into experiences that stay in your memory forever. Stable and smooth motion gives every recording a natural and engaging quality, making every scene look vivid and real. Smart navigation helps you fly with confidence, so you can focus entirely on creativity instead of worrying about control. This lightweight drone fits easily into your routine, making it ideal for beginners, casual explorers, and adults who want to capture meaningful experiences without hassle. Its sleek and compact design reflects modern style while offering comfortable handling for extended use. Every journey becomes an opportunity to see familiar places from a fresh angle, sparking curiosity and inspiration. Create content that naturally attracts attention and resonates with viewers. This advanced drone transforms ordinary outings into memorable adventures, making each captured moment feel valuable, emotional, and worth sharing repeatedly with family, friends, and a wider audience. Number 3. LYZRC L900 Pro Max Drone. Experience the thrill of seeing the world from above with the LYZRC L900 Pro Max drone, created for those who want every moment to feel vibrant, personal, and unforgettable. Imagine soaring above landscapes, capturing scenes that radiate beauty, emotion, and depth. Every flight transforms ordinary places into extraordinary experiences, connecting you with your surroundings in ways that inspire creativity and wonder. Smooth and steady movement ensures each captured moment appears natural and engaging, bringing life to every scene. Intelligent GPS support gives you confidence in every flight, allowing you to focus entirely on exploring and recording meaningful memories. The dual camera system adds versatility, enabling you to capture perspectives that feel dynamic, immersive, and cinematic. The foldable design combines convenience with style, making it easy to carry and perfect for travel or outdoor adventures. Comfortable handling ensures anyone can enjoy the experience, whether you are a beginner or a passionate creator. Each journey opens new opportunities to see familiar locations in fresh and exciting ways. Share content that captures attention and resonates deeply with viewers. This professional drone helps you transform ordinary moments into lasting memories, making every captured scene feel valuable, emotional, and worth sharing again and again with friends, family, or your audience.